I'm headed for my second shift at Charles Krug Winery. Tonight's going to be a opera. Whoopee. Not my favorite, but hey, I like the culture. Grapes are happy this year. A little wilted from the heat. I don't even know what it is. It was forecast to be 97. I think it got hotter than that. Right now it feels about 100. Greystone in the daytime. There are caves that go hundreds of yards straight back into that mountain. I got back in there one day with my friend Jack Corey. We weren't supposed to be back there, but once we were found out, the old guy that found us, the old guy gave us a full tour. We saw some over 100-year-old bottles of wine back there. Wow. I mean, big bottles, looked like 5 gallons. Entrance to Charles Krug. Very quiet. There was 900 people here night before last, but tonight I'm sure I bet it'd be closer to 150. It's too hot. And the venue is outdoors in the sun. They have valet parking for the rich people. It's interesting, the rich people, when they get here, they go a completely separate way from the regular people. They go into the building, and then they have a patio out back where they have their dinner and wine and all that, and then they don't even come in the main gate. They come in from their patio straight onto their seating, which is in the very back of the amphitheater area. So they're way in the back, all by themselves. They don't associate with anybody that isn't elite. Amazing. Good, I'm taking the back way in. There'll be better places to park my bike back here. This is where I should have come the night before last. Hello, everyone. Coming back into St. Helena. So I parked my car on Park Street. Ta-da! Park Street.